What's up, guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Got another tool breakdown for you today. This is the Dewalt DCS334. This is probably my favorite tool, one of the most versatile tools you could have. So we'll just do a quick tool walkthrough. First, you want to remove the battery. That locks your trigger. This knob right here will adjust your blade. So here, I'll set it down so you can see. That brings the blade up or down. This right here, this lever, if you pull that up, that'll remove your blade. And pull it back up, put your blade in, lock it, make sure it's seated, and make sure it's resting against that wheel right there. That's how you know it's seated properly. And then to adjust the bevel on it, on the back end, there's another lever right here. So what you want to do is flip that this way, and then you could take it from a 0-degree bevel, and then what you want to do, this is kind of tricky, but what you want to do is move this whole plate out, and you can see it slides out, and then you could rotate it however many degrees you want each way, and then just lock it back into place. And then if you want it just at 0, get it close to the middle there at 0, and then just pull it forward like that. And you can see it's all the way pushed this way. Lock it back up, and that'll put you back at 0. And then that right there adjusts your speed. You can go from 1 all the way up to 7. And I don't recommend going all the way up to 7. That's pretty fast. I usually leave it around 3 or 4 for most of the cuts that I make. This comes in really handy if you're doing vinyl or laminate floors and you have some really awkward cuts that you have to make. This thing is invaluable. But there you have it, guys. Dewalt XR DCS334 Cordless Jigsaw. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.